When it's time to raise the soft top, first, make sure there's another adult on hand to assist. From the fully lowered position, remove the fastener straps. Then, locate the lock levers on the driver and passenger side lift assist mechanisms. Pushing down on each side of the soft top, slide the lock levers to the unlocked position. Then, push the number 5 bow up and forward along the guide track until it locks into the Sunrider position. You should hear a click. Now, using the side link, lift and push the soft top toward the front of the vehicle until it reaches the closed position. From inside the vehicle, pull the header latch handle down until the hook engages its receiver. To lock the latch, pull the handle back up and squeeze the hook into place. Then, lock the other latch as well. To install the quarter window, start at the rear of the vehicle. Keep the window level as you guide the top onto the retainer and slide it forward. Do the same on the other side. Next, place the top of the quarter window pillar into the top cover and insert the bottom tab into the clip. Next, engage the plastic retainers on the front of the window. Then engage the retainers along the bottom. Do the same to the other side. To prevent damage, make sure you fully engage the front window retainers before driving again. Now, find the hook and loop fastener on the upper front corner of each quarter window and press down firmly to secure it. To reinstall the rear window, first, keep the window level as you guide it into the retainer from left to right. Then, slide the tailgate bar from left to right into the retainers at the bottom of the window. Rotate the swing gate bar into the left and right side retainers. Next, engage the plastic retainers along the passenger side of the rear windows to the quarter window pillar. Do the same on the driver's side. Finally, be sure to engage the rear window retainers in the lower right and left corners. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.